In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite new members to WhatsApp group, how to create invitation link or QR code to join to your specific group. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp app and then open up a group where you are an admin. Then right here at the top, tap at group name and then scroll down for a bit until you find these two features. The first is add participants. You can tap on that and then select any new member for that group among your contacts. You can just check mark those people and then tap on add to add them to your group. If you don't have a person in your contact, you can hit right here at invite to group via link to create invitation link, so anybody can use that link to join to your group. And right here you can just hit at copy link. Now link has been copied to my clipboard. I can hop out WhatsApp and then I can open up, let's say, Telegram. And here I'll show you at saved messages. I can tap and hit on paste to share this link using my messenger. I can share it anywhere I want. Also there I can hit on QR code to make a QR code invitation link for joining this group. It works in the same way. I can make a screenshot or I can hit there at share icon to share this QR code with somebody. And also here I can tap reset link to reset invitation link. If I tap on that and hit on reset, the previous invite link has been reset and a new invite link has been created. Now you know how to invite new members to WhatsApp group and how to create invitation links. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.